Hi, welcome to this video. Now here I will tell you how to create an opt-in page using Groove. Okay. Now, yeah, you go ahead, right. Don't shout. That's my cute son over there. Okay. So how to create a Groove opt-in page using Groove. Now, if you don't know what is an opt-in page, well, there is a link somewhere below. You can go and check it out. Okay. Now, why you're using an opt-in page? So basically, let me just show you example of opt-in page. If you see my screen over here, these are several examples of opt-in pages. Okay, let me just show you this one. Okay, see, these are some examples of opt-in page. So what he is doing is, this is Anik Singhal, one of the greatest marketer. I really like this guy. So here you have a lead magnet he's giving out for a free, and what it is about, and what it is, what is the headline. It's the 5 powerful ways to achieve goals, and these are the action item. These are some insight about the lead magnet, and this is a button, call to action. Okay, if you see any opt-in page here, this is another one. This is for actually registration, webinar registration opt-in page, where there is a video over here. Now check it out. This opt-in page, there is nothing, just one liner, and there is a sign up. Right, this is also an example opt-in page where you will have a heading, subheading, and you are collecting email address, and there is a call to action button. Similarly, for this is one more where you are having a video over here in the right hand side. You have a headline, subheadline, email address, and you have a call to action button here, and some details over here. Right, so these are basically, guys, examples of some opt-in pages. Now, why do you need an opt-in page? Why do you need an opt-in page? Well, when you are working, if you are running any kind of business, no matter what, whether it is online or offline, you have to collect details of your customers. Why? Because when you start collecting details of your customer, the best thing happens next is you will be able to establish your relationship with your customers. You can add value to their life, to their whatever reason they opted in for your business. You can add value by sending them some emails, some updates, something, okay, related that can actually help them in creating a good business. That can actually help them to solve any particular problem, right? Second, when you are collecting email address or any kind of details of your customers, you can follow up with them for your future promotions, as well as you can sell them additional product lines in your particular niche. So that is the power of having an opt-in page. Okay, I hope you understand why we need an opt-in page, right? It's very crucial to collect emails. And also other details, maybe phone numbers, maybe address. Okay, if you're sending it to sending some physical book or physical product, you need to have an address, right? So that's why opt-in page is very much required. Now in this video, I will show you how to create an opt-in page using Groove Digital. Let's hop into my and before that, let me just quickly tell you, if you haven't yet upgraded to Groove Platinum Lifetime Membership, then please go ahead and do that, because if you do that, you will be able to create as many sites just like this. If you see my screen, I will show you quickly. Also, you will have a lot of additional options. If you're an upgraded member, you can import as many URLs as you want. You can there's a lot of benefits of a lifetime member, as well as you are getting the fast track business launcher, the FBL cash machine, absolutely for free. Along with that, you will get 4 additional bonuses. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have created a training video about the fast track business launcher, the FBL cash machine, where you can able to create your business within 14 days or less. Or also you'll be able to attract more clients to your business. Wait. Sorry for that. Also, you'll be able to generate more clients for your business, qualified leads. Basically, I generated using the same methodology 189 qualified leads for one of my coaching businesses. Okay. Also, and it will also help you create engine that automatically sends traffic to your next level coaching program, or if you are creating a if you're selling affiliate products. Okay, this is really powerful. So the first link is, if you don't know what I'm talking about FBL, go ahead and click that, register for the training, and you will be given the training absolutely for free. If you know what I'm talking about, then please go ahead and upgrade using the link number 2. And if you still have some doubt, then please go and check out the Groove absolutely for free. Okay, right now it's absolutely for free, but it might not remain for free forever. Okay, it's going to be the lifetime deal will soon be revoked, I'm telling you. Okay, that's the third link. You can go ahead and register for free for Groove, and once you upgrade, I will send you the FBL. Okay, and make sure to go through that link, because you will be able to get access to FBL in the future as well. Now let's go hop into my laptop. Check it out. When you go inside Groove, you will find this kind of interface. After that, click on this one. Okay, you will see page and funnels. Just go to page and funnels. You see a lot of different pages I've been able to create it because I'm a lifetime member of Groove. Okay, now go to create a new site. You will see there are a lot of pages have already been created for you. See, this is if you're in yoga niche or fitness niche, this Optin page is really cool for you. If you're a therapist, right, this is a cool for you. If you're a business owner, this is a cool for you. So a lot of Optin pages have already been created. Okay, these are highly converting Optin pages. Okay, you can take any of them. So and you know what, you don't have to go and create from the scratch. Okay, however, in this video I'm going to show you from the scratch how to create it, but you don't have to do that, because see, all the high converting pages, this will save you tons of time. Okay, tons of time. So what you can do, you can select whatever you like. Okay, based after that you can just start adjusting or putting some content of your own, and you are ready to go. Okay, let me just take one template over here. I'll just want to show you how. See, if you're into real estate, this is going to be there. It's already there, right? So our objective is to create a very simple Optin page where we will have a lead magnet on the left hand side, like a PDF or something. Okay, we want to give an headline, we want to give a subheadline, and after that we want to give 2 to 3 benefits what is inside of that book or that lead magnet, and after that we want to give a call to action button. Okay, and that is what we are going to do. So let me do it from the scratch. Okay, now I'll just give a test. I'll give a name of the site. I'll just give it a test. Okay, test site. I'll start building it. Let's see how it goes. And you, my friend, if you continue with me, you can able to finish an Optin page for your business, even if you're not doing it. Okay, go ahead, click the third link at least, and register for free to a Groove account, and after that start building your Optin page. Okay, at least in that way you are practicing and you are actually accomplishing some task. Okay, so make sure you do that. And now I'll first go to blocks. Okay, I'll go to wireframe. See, in the blocks you have design blocks. Okay, if you click on content, you can always see all the pre-created blocks. See, there are already blocks they have created. Content, sorry, that one was contact. See, can you see the blocks? These are already created. Whatever you want, you can actually pick that block and put it. That way you are also saving a lot of time. Okay, so what I will do is I will show you from the scratch how to create an Optin page. So we'll go to blocks, we'll click on empty block. I'll just drag one block over here. Okay, I'll create a block over here. After that I'll go to elements and I'll select one column. Okay, now, so basically column is a sub one. So block, I want to keep one block because I want to bring all the things inside the one particular block. Otherwise, if I create multiple blocks, then what happens if I want to give a overall background to that block, to my entire page, that will not work. Okay, because you have multiple blocks inside. Okay, see, one block can have a background. Okay, now I will bring a headline. I'll just make it I'll just write it. This is my headline. This is my headline. Okay, this is my headline. You can give your headline over here. You can actually see, you can resize your headline to bigger, smaller, and everything. And if you see, there is a toggle bar. Okay, it will show you in the different platforms how your headline will appear. Okay, and you can actually customize that. So for example, if you want to do a particular change on your mobile, you have to toggle it out. Just mobile is selected, then you can do one thing, you can make it a little smaller. Okay, like this. Okay, and this will not impact to your other devices. Okay, did you see that? But mobile, it's changed, the size is smaller. So that is the beauty of this one. So we just got the headline. Now we are getting a subheadline. Let me just go to elements. Let me get one paragraph, and I will just put it below this, and I will just name it as this is my subheadline. This is my subhead, and I will centralize it by clicking on this one. Sorry, I'll click this, I'll centralize it. Okay, we are cool, good to go, right? Okay, now what I want is, I want to create a picture on the left hand side that will show the lead magnet, and in the right hand side I will talk something about it, like 3 bullets at max, what is inside that lead magnet, and after that I want to give a call to action button. Okay, so what I will do is, I'll go to elements, I'll bring 2 columns, and I'll put it below the subhead. Okay, now if you see these two there is no space in between. While we'll select this layout, okay, make sure to select this, and you can check that out below as well. If you see there's a layout, there is container. If you select container, the entire container got selected. If you select block, the whole block got selected, right? So that way it will be easy for you for all your selections. Just select the layout, and after that go here, right hand side, spacing. We want the top spacing. Now this is the inside spacing. If you do that, it will, from inside it will start creating some space, but we don't want, we want spacing from the above. So we will select this one. Okay, remember we have selected everything, so whatever changes cosmetics you are doing, it is actually getting applied to all the devices. Okay, no need to worry. So it was not there when I upgraded. Like I told you, Groove is continuously upgrading. Okay, they are making the environment really better and user friendly. Okay, so make sure, go ahead and upgrade. Okay, now go to we'll just make it little like this, 18. Okay, this is fine. Now let's go ahead and we will bring some pictures to the left hand side, just our lead magnet picture. I'll just bring, let's say, where is the picture, man? I forgot, maybe somewhere up. Okay, here you go, image. Okay, I'll go put it inside. See, sometimes it might not get into the exact location, so you have to hover your mouse to make sure you put it in the right place. Okay, I selected this. Let's update some image, whatever I have got. Based on that, I will update one image. What is there? Let's, okay, for this example I want to give a lead magnet. Okay, this one, we already have it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is a picture that I have created, and this mass conversion 2.0 will be given as a bonus, as not a bonus, as a gift if you're attending the training below. If you have attended, you have already received it. If you haven't, go ahead and click the first link below, where there is a complete training that will tell you how to create a business, as well as get more customers, as well as you know, how to give more value so that sales happens automatic. Okay, even if you're a coach, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're just starting out, this is going to help you. Okay, so I just got my lead magnet over here. Okay, let's say I'm using this as a lead magnet. You don't have to give a header, you don't have to give a footer like this what I have done it, but you can just have your lead magnet the way it is. Okay, but you need to create it. Okay, now if you want to, you can easily outsource it in Fiverr or somewhere, or else I'll do one thing in members area in FBL. I will create a block where I will show you how you can come up with such an incredible lead magnet photographs, right? That is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything to create this kind of photographs. If you're interested, just let me know. Okay, I'll come up with the video. And in the right hand side, we want to give some kind of content, right? What is inside. So I will just go ahead, element, I will come down. There is something called icon list item. I'll just bring it over here. Okay, I'll just check this out. I don't want this question mark, I want to be something else. I want a tick mark, but it might take some time to find it out where it is. So okay, we got it. Okay, I think this is fine. Wow. Okay, my friend, so there was earlier, what happened, there was two additional option to make it bigger or smaller. Also there was an option to make it change the color of this one, but I think Groove is doing some kind of update right now, so this is not visible. However, this will be visible, I'm 100% sure. But let me try it out in other way and change the size of this one. This is an icon list item. Okay, so we are giving two, sorry, not this one, confirm. See, I want to select the list icon. I will select here and I will duplicate this. Come here, don't just duplicate this, because right now if you see below, right, it is selecting the text, it is not selecting the list icon, and by mistake if you do that, it becomes like this, which is again a problem. So let's go back. So okay, I don't want this. What is this? How did it appear, man? I don't even know. Oh, maybe last time when we did it, we didn't get rid of that, I guess. Okay, so this list item number 2, I selected the list icon and I will do this again. Okay, so now this is actually, and a better way to do is in a different way. I'll show you. Okay, the better way. For the time being, I'll remove this header because this looks so big and I don't like it. Okay, I'll just change the text to this one, let's say 34, and I'll just put some kind of value. Okay, what is it? It's giving this, let's say benefit 1. Okay, this is called benefit 1. Let's say some text. I just want to put it. Okay, some text. Now I select the icon, list icon from below, and I will go to spacing. Below I want to give some space because I'll just, right, okay, this is not working. I'll just select this one, I'll give some space. Okay, perfect, this is working absolutely fine. This is not visible, maybe because the upgrade is going on, or maybe you have selected everything, that's why it is not able to give the exact number. So but that's okay, that's not a big deal. Now select this, select the icon list and just duplicate it. Okay, again select this, select the icon list and just duplicate it. Now we got 3 benefits over here. You get a lot of real estate, you can use that. Okay, and if I want to reduce the size of this what is this lead magnet, whatever photograph I have given, I can do that by just clicking over here. Let's go to the size, go to width, make it px, and just do like that. Okay, this is how also you can, this is also one way you can reduce the size. Now if you want to make it centralized, select this particular photograph and just come to the text. Okay, text, and just select this centralized one and it will centralize the stuff. Now let me just make sure this looks better. So what I will do, I will just keep on adding few lines. Okay, let me just do one thing. Let me just put more benefits. Mass attraction product creation and all this stuff. Let's assume, let's keep it less up to 3. Okay, and as I told you, Groove is going on some update. That's why that list icon, that symbol that you just saw, is right now not working, but by the time tomorrow, if you check it out, it will be working. Okay, now I want to give a small header to this one as well. So I will go over here, I will just take one headline, I'll put it over here, and I'll just name it as benefits inside. Okay, I'll just name it. It doesn't have to be the same one. I'll definitely going to not going to use this one, and I'll make it centralized. Okay, now you got 2 things. One is this, one is that, but somehow and you can test it. How does it look? So just click on this I button and this will show you how it looks. Now this is very pathetic, I know, but this is going to change. Okay, so what we will do is we will start doing customization later on, but right now let's add a call to action button in the below, and I will change the size again to the regular one. I'll go to sizing here. Okay, okay, this is, I think, fine. I'll give some more space. I'll give some more space. I'll give some more space. Okay, you got it. Now the sub headline, it has to be some more text, so I'll just copy this and I'll just put it like this. Okay, this is some sub headline. This does not have to be so big. I'll just remove till this one. Okay, and I want to give some spaces over here, so I'll go over here, I'll check the spacing above and below, and we'll give some spacing. Okay, now we want a call to action button over here, so we'll go to elements. You can go to the buttons. Where is the button? So there are 2 ways of creating buttons. You either can actually create just a button, and once they click on the button, there is a pop-up that will appear where they can give their email address, their name, and they go inside. Or you can give your email address over email and buttons over here itself. So let's first show you how to do that email one. And if you see, there is a lot of things, right? Groove Mail, the web form, Aweber, go to webinar, go get response. So you have a lot of integrations over here. Now if you are currently using some autoresponder, then I would suggest to continue do that, because Groove Mail is out of function right now, because there is some basically there is some delivery issue came up. So they are right now working on it. The current status as you're watching the video is I was informed that it will take a month of time to go to make it live, because they are all the technical updates are already completed, and they are just focusing on warming up the email delivery. Okay, so very soon you will be able to implement Groove email, so Groove Mail, so that you don't have to rely upon any other email platform. Okay, but if you are currently right now using it, anyone, then continue using it. And if you are not using it, if you want to know how to use a particular platform and you want to know the integration, my next video I'm going to show you how to do that with MailChimp. It's absolutely free. You will get 1,000 subscribers absolutely for free. How you can integrate MailChimp so that you can at least start your business on. Okay, I'll show that in my next video. So we will do is there are a lot of different options. You can use progress bar, but see, in the objective of Optin page it's to keep it very simple. So what I'm showing you right now is to excite your excite your viewers' interest. Okay, that is what you need to show in the opt-in page, and the less the information, the more it is going to work better. I will repeat again, the less the information you are giving, the more it is going to work better for them to give their email address. So what I personally prefer is just to give a headline, sub-headline, and just call to action. Okay, because the headline has to be that powerful. But this is the standard way I have seen a lot of people practicing, but I'm going to show you. You can do that. You can split test. You can use it, this one, and also the other one that I just told you, right? The headline, sub-headline, and just the call to action. So now let's go to the element section and let's get the form. You can use group mail just like this. Okay, you can get the group mail and just reduce the size, and you can do this. Okay, this looks so beautiful right now. Now just select this one. This particular, I want to select this box, this item, the container, not the container basically. Yeah, this is the container. Container is highlighted. So I want to go to the shading. I want to go to the shadow. I want to give it Excel so that I know, my people know this is highlighted. Okay, and this, I don't want it to give any border, but it is the regular picture which I have right now. I don't like it, so I'll just do one thing. I'll go here. I will change. Let me see if I can change it. Let me just delete this one. I will get elements. Let me go to get the image, because I like the transparent background because that is how it looks better. I am not able to do anything. I think it's a timed out. I'll just have to refresh it. Let me save it. Okay, let me refresh this again. Okay, just click it, go to configure, choose an image. Let me just choose this one, or let me just choose my photograph. I think it's better. Oh, it fits really nice. Okay, so now let me just select this one. What is this container? I want to this all it's not, there's no space, so I just want to go to spacing, inner spacing. I'll just give like this. Okay, this looks fine. Now this one I selected, I want to give some spacing above and below, not like this, sorry, inside spacing. Okay, here also I want to give some. Okay, this is fine. I will just remove the first one. Okay, right. So here you can, now this configuration, right, this is configuration and everything I will show you in the next video, where I will actually show you, and I will show you how and we will also test this same opt-in page. Okay, when you are giving it, how it goes and sits on your database, we will test that, and so that you can implement that as well along with me. Okay, while working with this one, you can do this. Okay, and just leave it as it is. And there is a footer section. You can go to element, go to blocks. You will find some footers. Let me just do that. Let me take my footer. Okay, let me take this one. I think this is a very neat footer that I'm working right now. This is for my business. Okay, this is a very neat footer. Okay, now I selected this one. I want to give some spacing as well. So inside I want to give some more space. Good. Okay, now let's check that out. See? And I want to give more spacing over here. We'll go over here. I will select the header. Okay, the header, and I will go here, go to spacing, and inside above and below I want to give some space. Okay, now this is fine. I give this headline as a color, so I'll go to text. I can choose whatever color I want to give. Okay, or if you want to change a particular color, you can highlight it and you can go over here and select like this. Okay, you can you can highlight it like this, and after that you can change the color by selecting the second one and make it white. Okay, this is also you can do it. So I was just giving you an example. So I'll select my header, I will make it, let's say, this color, or red, dark red, and I want to make it bold. I'll select it here, I made it bold, and I want to give another font. That also I can do it. I can come over here in the page default, right, and select some font that you know, like that's this one. This looks weird. I think this is fine, and I'll just make it bigger size. Okay, now let's save it and just go to, just check it out. How does it look? This is the old one. Wow, this looks nice, right? When you are forming it, you are actually creating this. Okay, and you can change the color of Groove as well, that I will show you, that I have shown inside, because right now Groove Mail is under process, so you might not do any changes, but I will show you how to do that in the next video when we are linking our email stuff with the free account, right? Where? With MailChimp. Let me just quickly drag it down. Let's see what they have. Check this out. Okay. So what you can do is right now, let's do it immediately, and in the next video I will show you how to connect it. Okay. So what I did is I went to element section. I just selected the MailChimp. Okay. This one. And I dragged it over here. Okay, now we don't want a header, so we will do one thing. We will delete this one. Okay, I don't want a first name. If I want, I'll just duplicate it and I will change it to first name. Okay, input name, I'll just or input placeholder, I'll just give first name. Okay, I don't want any validation rule there. If you want, you can check that, and you can make input cannot be empty. Okay, and you make it text. That also you can do. You can update that so that they are bound to give their name over there. Otherwise, it will say it will keep on prompting that you have to fill this place. Now email, you can select this piece, go to configure for email, let it be like this, add validation rule, email input cannot be empty, and just update. Okay, guys, if you were watching this, make sure to do it alongside of me, so that you would have a template ready for your business. When you are doing it, you'll have actually things ready for your business. Okay, and subscribe, I'll click over here, configure, I'll change the button, I will make it yes, I want it, right? I'll button action, yes, submit, let's update. Okay, go to design, I want to change the color of a background, I want to make it red, and yes, it's done basically. Okay, now let's go ahead and see how it looks in the mobile. See, it looks very difficult, you cannot even read it, right? It is fine. This looks fine in this view, this looks fine in this view. We can adjust that if you want. This also we can adjust. This is now to adjust that, we'll just remove this one. Okay, we'll just select the mobile one, click it, and the resize is to my headline. Okay, now if you want to remove some space, that also you can do that. You can just go over here, reduce some space from there, and this looks absolutely brilliant, my friend, right? This looks really great, really beautiful. And mostly you don't need to actually optimize for all the devices, because mostly people either use in their smartphone or in the desktop. So these two are perfectly all right if you're making some adjustments, and if you have time, you can go ahead and do that in others as well. Okay, so let's save it. You can publish it to your own domain, or you can go publish it with Groove. Okay, so I will show you publishing the page in a later video, so that once all the things are ready, I will show you how you can go and publish it in your own domain. Okay, So as of now, I will keep on saving and we'll see how does it look. Voila, this is good, right? Looks absolutely beautiful. So this is how you will create an opt-in page, my friend. And if you want to create a video before giving this beside in the left hand side, you just have to go to the elements, drag a video, right? Video player. You can have a video placed on YouTube, or you can place a video inside group video, because that is very powerful. And how to leverage that also, I have given a tutorial video inside FBL that you can check out, because that is very important. In that way, if you're using Groove, then you are actually you'll be able to create free ads inside your videos, and you'll be able to send your people who have subscribed, who have come inside your ecosystem. They will automatically be redirected to all the sales pages and all the future affiliate products that you might have. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that automatically. Just do it once and it's done. It's all inside FBL. Go ahead and click the link below, first link, and check the entire training video over there. Okay. Now, my friend, if you like the video what you just watched, just put a thumbs up and let me know whether you have upgraded it or not. Let me know what additional details you want. And also, if you are watching this in Facebook, make sure go ahead and like the page. And if you're watching it in YouTube, make sure go and subscribe the channel, like the video, because I'm going to create more videos like this that will help you in achieving your business goals. Okay, so that you can create your own business without help of anybody else. Okay, everything you so what do you call alone you can achieve. If I can do it, you can do it too. Okay, and later on, once you start getting more and more work, you can actually expand it, your team. You can start hiring people, you can collaborate with people, and give them some additional work, so that you can focus only on creating values, and they will do all the automation work, page development, all these things. But initially, if you don't have a lot of money, if you want to do it, if you want to learn, if you are ready to do the groundwork, then I'm here to help you out, my friend. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, because sometimes what happens, if you are only liking the Facebook page, you might not might not get notified all the time, right? That's why it is always good to subscribe to both the places, so that if something goes on, if something goes off, other thing is always there. You might get notified in there as well. I mean, if both the cases, if you're not getting notified, then once in a while you can visit to the site and check this out. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.